Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, let's see how we can count the cells which are color coded. So we have the colors here and we'll get the count from this table. So for this, we need to write a small program. So for that, I go to Developer tab, then click on Visual Basic. And by default, Sheet 1 is selected, right click, Insert, and then click on Module and just paste it here. So this coding which is available in the description below, you just need to copy and paste it here, then come back to Excel file, then just save this file. While saving this file, you need to ensure you are saving as Excel macro enable workbook. So I will save it in my documents and just save. And now because we added this code, we got a new function that is color by count, and then just give this reference by selecting the entire data. I press F4 from the keyboard to lock the cells, comma, and then select the colors which you want to count, close parenthesis, press enter. Now you extend this formula. Here is the result. Thank you.